For many law students, remedial law can be a nightmare. Between the rules of court and ever-changing jurisprudence, it's easy to get lost. You need more structured resources, and today, I'm excited to finally announce that we are launching new channel memberships. We've kept this affordable because I know your struggles as a law student. So we have three tiers. Tier 1 is the Insider. For just 49 pesos a month, you get loyalty badges and custom emojis to use during our premieres. You also have community poll access that allows you to suggest video topics. It's the best way to show your support for the free content I produce. Tier 2 is the Scholar. At 99 pesos a month, this is where the study aids kick in. You'll get access to PDF summaries of my video lectures and my personal case digest templates to save you hours of formatting. Tier 3 is Remlo Deep Dive. For 199 pesos a month, just about the price of a signature coffee. You get everything from the previous tiers, plus the heavy hitters, flowcharts of procedures, reference sheets, members-only videos, monthly live sessions, and mock bar Q&A sessions to test your knowledge. Your support helps me keep this channel running and allows me to create even better study materials for all of you. To join, just click that join button below this video. See you in the members only tab.